River State Governor Sim Fubara arrived in Koniju Town in Okrika local government area. And on hand to welcome him are hundreds of Wakrike sons and daughters who have trooped out in a show of love and support for their governor, who has come to attend the burial of one of their monarchs, the late Amanabo of Koniju Town, King Nelson Atubo, Oputibea the 11th.
When I saw the support, the excitement in the faces of the youth and even elderly men who had to block the way to receive me, it gives me so much joy. Knowing fully well that this journey, I am not alone in it. I am in it with people who believe and understand our dream and aspiration for our state. So let me thank you again. I will not take this love for granted.
And like he has done since he assumed office as governor of River State, Sim Fubara is calling on the people to unite and embrace the tenets of peace.
We must abide by the tenet of peace. That is the only way we can bring that desired development that we are yearning for the people of River State. So I want to urge every one of you, please ensure that we maintain peace so that the promises we made during our campaign will be fulfilled to everybody in our dear states.
Governor Sim Fubara also commends the people of Okrika for the peace being enjoyed in the area.
Let me thank every one of you, more especially the traditional rulers. I have to commend you for your peaceful nature in this kingdom. Please, keep it up. I don't know how you do it, but continue to do it because it's important for us to live in peace.
He says he will reward their effort with projects and other dividends of democracy.